Hello everyone and welcome to this new week's tutorial where I am going to show you guys how you can add these slider images into your Wix website. For that, first thing first, what you're going to do is go to yourwix.com. There you need to log in or sign up using Isotable password, a Google account or an email account. After that, this is the type of the dashboard that must appear on your screen. Now you have to create a design site or you have to create a website. For that you have to go to this option of home right here or setup, and then you have to scroll up to this edit site option if you are going to edit the site, or if you have already created a site, then this is how the site is going to appear. It might be different depending upon the template that you've used. So yeah, this is here you see. Now I have to go to this option. Okay. So first of all, if you don't have any section, then what you're going to do is that you have to go to this option of section right here, and then you're going to add a section. Now this is an empty section where you would like to add your slider image. For that, you have to go to this option of add elements right here. You could also reach to this option of add elements from here. You could also go to this pages option where you would like to add your slider image, and after that you have to click on this option of add elements. When you click on this option, it is going to give you a number of different options, like you can go to the images, stripe, decorative, box, or maybe gallery, but you have to go to this option of gallery right here. You see this is pro gallery, grid galleries, and slider galleries. Go to this option of slider gallery. Here you see this is actually one of the options. You have to use the drag and drop option in order to drag it. Now you see that you can stretch it to the full length, and here I will stretch it to the full width. Now you have the option that you can click on it. In this way, it is going to give you the option to change the image. Just click on change the image so that you will be able to change the image. Here you can remove this picture, or you can add it by replacing the image in this way, or you can also add the images from the gallery. So this way you are going to add a number of different several images. You see, click on this option, and this way you will be able to upload different images from your gallery and create a slider. Here, let's just say this is my picture. I'm going to click on this. This is just a sample image. Click on add gallery and then click on done, and then this is going to be in one of your slides. So this is how you're going to add the slider images. You can click on preview, save, and publish in order to add it to your website. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next tutorial.